Your Galaxy A55 might encounter a slow internet connection due to software bugs that disrupt the device's network settings, or issues with the Wi-Fi router or mobile data network. If you're facing such an issue, here are the steps you can take to rectify it. The first thing you need to do is restart both your phone and your router. This will refresh the memory of both devices and might resolve the slow connection issue you're experiencing. To restart your phone, press and hold the volume down and power keys for a couple of seconds. When the options appear, tap restart and confirm it. While waiting for your phone to restart, unplug the router from the power source and leave it without power for at least 20 seconds. Then plug it back in. Wait for the devices to finish rebooting and check to see if the problem is resolved. Another way to refresh the connection is to enable the airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the airplane icon to enable it. After a few seconds, tap on it again to disable it. Wait for your phone to reconnect to the Wi-Fi or mobile data network and then check to see if the problem is resolved. If the problem persists, the next step is to forget the Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it. This will rule out the possibility that it's just due to a corrupt connection setting. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap and hold the Wi-Fi icon. Then tap Details to go to its settings page. Tap the gear icon next to the network and tap Forget at the bottom. After that, reconnect to the network. This will often fix slow connection issues with Wi-Fi. However, if you're having issues with mobile data, then you have to reset the mobile network settings. Just launch Settings and tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings to proceed. This will fix the slow connection issue with mobile data. And that's pretty much it. We hope this guide proves helpful to you. Thanks for watching.